So guys, last night I got some really exciting news. This has been something that I've been looking for literally since I bought the truck, because it needed quarter panels the entire time. I bought the driver's side quarter panel, as some of you know. I just found a good deal finally after like a year and a half, almost 2 years of looking. I found a good deal for the passenger side quarter panel. Already shipped by eBay. I bought it last night. I'm sending it to the States. I'm just across the line. As you know, I'm Canadian. So to send it to the States, it's $100 shipping. So altogether, $575 Canadian, which isn't bad at all. So that'll be coming, guys. So now it kind of reamps the spark again. I was kind of dull there for a bit. We now have some more motivation coming in. We're gonna be starting on removing the quarter panels. So guys, a long time ago, I just chopped it because this was gone and this whole section was gone. That's why we needed quarter panels. I'm gonna drill them each out individually. So this is a tedious one. I'm not too excited, but you got to do what you got to do. Okay, guys, so I've been working away and just practicing. As you can see, we're getting there. Push that right in and then use it's almost like a little hole cutter. What I do, I've been figuring this is the best way so far. Obviously, it's not clean, but we're going to sand all that down. Start with this drill bit, drill the hole. Pretty deep, actually. Obviously, don't go all the way through. It's kind of hard. I'm just learning as well. But don't go all the way through. And then you throw this guy in there. And that thing eats, man. I want to do some research on what I'm supposed to do with this. I think I just undo it and then weld it to the new one. But we're going to move to the back here and start working back there as well. All right, so I'm taking my drill bit. I'm going to go ahead and just drill up this whole panel. There we have it. You can see, so you kind of do want them to come out if possible. You see those ones are loose in there. You can see that one's flopping. So let's see basically what it is. Now, I'm still learning too, just keep that in mind. I have never done this before. It looks like you want to go closer to here. Let's just see if it pries though. I can see it's coming up. So no more drilling since I last checked in with you guys. I just pried it out. So that's a good way to do it. It doesn't take too long actually. It's just keep doing that, I guess. And honestly, if you can get an air handler, that'd be amazing. You just go right through it. Now this, I'm still gonna get off, but you guys get the general idea. So basically, that's what I have to do for both freaking quarter panels. Yeah, you can see this is actually attached. That's the housing for the taillight. So that's gotta come off too. Now that's totally fine, we'll deal with that. All right, I got that last piece off there. Now this is all loose. I got this going. And we are ready on this side to move across the top here, which is what's gonna really take this apart. So nice, look how loose that is, eh? Woo. Moving on to the driver's side here. You can see not much left of it. We're gonna start do that same thing here. Guys, keeping it going here. You can see we're working our way around the corner. So here it is. This is the driver's side quarter panel off of Amazon. It's a Goodmark one. Looks mint. As far as I can tell right now, she's mint. Super sharp, guys, so be really careful. But yeah, I've never seen my truck with a proper quarter. So once this is on, and it literally fits essentially, it should fit like a glove. You should just be able to drop it right on. We got the top off. My buddy Glenn's over here helping me out today, which is clutch. You can see how much we've done. We're getting a long ways on it now. And look what I picked up. $30 air chisel from Canadian Tire. It was on for 30 bucks, normally 60. I had to pick it up. It's not probably the most powerful thing in the world, but it should be able to get through spot welds. Hopefully get right to the end of this piece here, and then we'll see what we got to do to get it off completely. Okay, look at this. Woo! So this thing actually is so worth it, especially for 30. I still would have bought it for 60 because it made this so much faster. So no more drilling. I've just been using it straight back here. You can see those welds I got off. Just blasted through this whole thing. Then we just cut it, and we got to work on the top part. We just weren't sure what was going on there. So now we're gonna take it off. Glenn's gonna do the honors. All right, it's probably gonna be super dirty under there too. Woohoo! Wow. I mean, there's not much left of it because I already chopped it once, but hey! Geez, that looks weird. Oh yeah? It's not Bondo, is it? That's like,
not bad. It's
actually,
solid.
Yeah. Could be worse. We're definitely gonna clean it up and paint it. Wow. But yeah, we got to see what's going on in there. So we kind of chopped it so we could work around that. But yeah, it looks really good. So let's check our job that we did here. It's not bad. We didn't break anything. There's some holes, but it is what it is. First time doing it. Yeah, we kind of came up right here. It's pretty, hopefully that's the surface. It doesn't seem that bad. So we got it mocked up like poorly right now. As you can see, it has to go forward. We just wanted to see what it would look like, but it literally looks insane. See up here, we need to do a little bit more work. But what we did up here was, it's actually tacked. So we were chiseling in here. You can see, took a bit of the paint off and stuff. We're gonna have to do body work anyways, and we're not really professional at this type of stuff. It is what it is. You learn as you go. But look how good this looks. Oh man, it's looking like a brand new rig right now. And that's not even properly lined up. We were even able to keep this actually pretty mint, which is good. We'll just tack that back on. But it looks so good. Like to see a taillight housing on this Bronco, which has never been because it was destroyed. It literally looks brand new from this angle. Woo! And then yeah, here's the old side. We're gonna be doing this one right now as well. Me and Glenn on this side, we didn't do any drilling on this side except the stuff I did before. But after these, like I showed you at the beginning, we did the chisel on the whole thing. So it actually did pretty good. We had some issues with air at one point. Pressure wasn't building up, so we fixed that and it still did really good. So as you can see, same as the other side, just chopped her for now and we'll work on this corner. But everything else is done. Woo! Beauty. Just like the other side, it doesn't look great, but then if you look what Glenn did on this side, Glenn worked his magic. This side is literally perfect. Just got to paint it now. You can see how nice it cleans up compared to that other side. Yeah, that's both sides done. Just like that. We'll have to do the exact same things, clean it all up. And then, yeah, once we finish this corner here, the other corner was so rusty, it was actually a good thing to get it off. So now this one's actually proper. So we're gonna just, what we did was we separated here and then we separated here. There's those spot welds. And then this was kind of just really tough. Just did a bunch of different things, chisel, grinder, anything to get it out. Same here. I did try to get the spot weld out, but I completely missed it. There's only just the one, I think, holding here. And this popped right forward. So we're just gonna get it off as we see necessary. So we got the upper section here all done. Took a day's work. We got it all done. We're gonna be shining it up, got the drill out. Should come out really nice. Like, look at this. Pretty mint, actually. So that's gonna be for the next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Make sure you stay tuned because we are going to be installing the quarter panels. To be honest, the job actually isn't too bad. That air chisel, you need one, honestly. I'd say pick one up. Without it, it took forever. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.